Kakan hun ya ka kinjat bo ka Meghalaya ka Shah Pynbam keput Haduh san ko lagi wei hak kirila hak lempung ke Junior Boys National Football Championship al Jalapsan ka Dr. BC Roy Trophy ke Balong Hamadan Amritsar mentak sengi ka Poitring Naitung al Jalapsan ka kirila ka tep ko nengkong lembau Muhammad Mujawad hak sipau mit shua ba ka Meghalaya kan penpai dau banyar kasokno akat praminit ndai dei hak kalamit baga kerela kala penpai keput Haduh saukul lembau jitu bi hak saupu praminit Muhammad Sinan dak penalti hak rup sawat nyub penru minit baut Muhammad Hayan hak prap saw minit hak jing aga gabut ke babut ke Meghalaya kan ya kendu ya ke West Bengal hak sengi balang
really say of what it is supposed to be, but it's Meghalaya under serious pressure now. Kerala has drafted in 2 goals with a goal lead here. One more. Here we go. Make it 3-1. 3 for Kerala. 1 for. The coach must have said them that is more important than actually what happens. Is it a goal? Make it goal number 4. How easily can you do it every time? Mohammad Sinan. Time quickly. It's almost like quicksand going out of your hand now. Kerala, number 9. Oh, what an easy goal. What an easy goal this is. This is Sebok Lindo. Beg your pardon, that's Mohammad Hayan in the 77th minute, and then Mohammad Hayan TP initially warming the bench, then scoring a goal in the 85th minute.